Good morning, students. Our topic is mixture and its characteristics for 7th and 8th classes. First of all, we will discuss about what is mixture. Mixture is a impure substance which is made up of two or more substances mixed together in any ratio. Means when two or more substances mixed together, जब दो या दो से ज्यादा कोई भी सब्सटेंस आपस में मिलाए जाते हैं, then mixture is formed. It is impure substance. It is impure substance which is made up of two or more substances in any ratio is called mixture. In this sentence, substances that may be element, compound, both, and any others. For example, salt and sugar. It is a mixture. Both are compound. Iron and sulfur. Both are elements. When we combine together mechanically, then mixture is formed. And after this, we discuss about characteristics of mixture. Characteristics of mixtures. Characteristics of mixtures. First is the in mixture the constituents in any ratio. The constituents present in mixture in any ratio means constituents is the word, the material, the substance which is used to make the particular substance or mixture. For examples, we already discussed about examples sugar and salt. Those are the constituent, and in any ratio, no any fixed amount. Maybe, for example, sugar in water means 5 grams sugar. 5 grams sugar in water, that is mixture. If 1 kg sugar in water, यदि हम 1 किलो शुगर पानी में भी मिक्स करें, that is also mixture. If 5 grams sugar in 1 glass of water, that is also mixture. Both are mixture, but difference in their quantities. Okay, here is 1 kilograms, here is 5 grams, and water is also more in the case of 1 kilograms. Okay. Second properties, characteristics. mixture does not have specific properties of its own. मीन्स मिक्सचर की कोई अपनी प्रॉपर्टी स्पेसिफिक अलग प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है. इफ टेक ए 2 glass of water, one is add sugar in water and other salt in water. Then sugar in water, their taste is sweet, but salt in water, their taste is salty. Okay, because there is not particular properties, there are different. The properties also like their constituents. If we add a lemon in water, then their taste is a citrus. Means, but no any particular property of a mixture. Next is the mixture has not fixed melting and boiling point. Mixture has not fixed melting and boiling point. Means in case of mixture, because mixture is firstly already discussed about mixture is impure substance. The substance which is not pure, their melting and boiling point is not fixed. Then mixture is also impure substance and mixture has not fixed melting and boiling point. And the constituents of mixtures. The constituents of mixture can be separated by physical means. Means the constituents of mixtures can be separated by physical means. For example, salt in water. If we want to separate salt from the water, then we use the evaporation method. Evaporation is a physical method. Evaporation method is used to separate a dissolved constituents in liquids, sugar, salt in water, etc.